How to remove fingerprint on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can remove your fingerprint on your Android device. So first thing first, simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down until you find the option called security and privacy. Simply click on it, and as you can see, there is an option called lock screen. Simply click on it, and from there you will be able to see fingerprint option. And once you click on it, it will ask you to draw your mobile device's pattern. So simply unlock it using your device's pattern, and as you can see, I have already set it up the fingerprint on this device. So to delete or remove this, what you can do is you can also rename that fingerprint. What you can do is simply long press on it, and as you can see, there is an option called remove at the bottom. Simply tap on it and your fingerprint will be removed successfully. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.